Alright guys, generation disk, there we go. Add. Don't show this message again. Fine. New project. A. Alrighty. Get my Wacom started. If you don't know what a Wacom is, search him the daylight up on Google. It's that easy. No, too sketchy of a base. There we go. Too liney. Oh my gosh, this is a mess. I don't know what's going on here. I'm gonna restart my base. Here comes our pressure pen for laptops and computers. Here, show you. Oh no. No. Project settings, keyboard, make. This is a Wacom. Right here. This is like what I have. Wacoms are simple and easy tablets you can use to draw. Wacom tablet. Hold on, let me go look at what type I have. Okay. Now I know what I can search up. Well, intros. Become intros kids. This is what I have. This is it. Yes. What? No. This is it. This is exactly it. That is exactly it. Then you just plug it into your laptop. Yeah, like this. Just plug it into your laptop and draw. Alright. Add frame. Done. Settings. Onion skin on. There we go. So the drawing app I'm using, I wanted to show how it's used. Okay. So the tablet I'm using, or drawing app I'm using, rating. Okay, rating. Ooh, this rating. It's good like Flipperclip, easy, but there's a few things you need to add, unlike Flipperclip. So this app and Flipperclip need to add a few things. I give both of these a 4.5-star rating for having a few tools, not having a few tools that they really need. This app and Flipperclip really, really need. Okay, so this app and Flipperclip, it really needs a smudge and blur. That would help like 10 times better. For this app, the rate, also, why I also rate it a little bit under a 5, and 4 is because when you, copy something and then paste it and you don't like what it did, you can't go back. Yeah, you can't go back. You actually delete the drawing behind it, and that's not good. No, no, no. No, no, no. Alright, let's see. Go to frame 1, close. Looks really sturdy, but it's a base, I mean. Ooh. Need to fix up the circling. Oh, frick, I'm not. No, oh, I didn't know. Haha. You know what? Okay, so I'm actually going. We should ask. Oh, I love it. Give it 5 stars. Ugh, don't. And I do give it like a 5-star rating. It just needs a little progression on. Alright. Oh, no. Need it to be red. Sorry there, but. Oh. Nice round circle. They'll call me at God animating right when I just joined computer animation. I didn't really actually just join computer animation right when I did homeschool. Why I joined it is because this group isn't no ordinary homeschool. It's animation community, homeschool, 3D animation, Minecraft modding, animation homeschool. Never meant. I didn't know it was gonna be that way. My mom was texting a homeschool friend on what to do. She said there's a really cool school that she wanted to join her kids in, but it was too much money for her. And she offered it to us, and we looked at it. And at the time, we had enough money and we joined. And when I saw what they had, I was absolutely impressed. Okay, so next year I'm gonna do 3D animation, practice on that. Right now I'm practicing on animation. It's not as fun as you think it is. The projects are so dumb. You have to like make your name a rainbow and like make a dog chasing the ball. Not anything that fun. Not to mention the apps they make you use for the animation community are absolutely horrible. Yeah, it's not as fun as you think it is. I never really wanted it to go this way. Connor, shut up! But I went that way. I really wanted to join the 3D animation, but they were all out. The class was already full. Please stop.
What?
Please stop.
I can't hear you.
Please stop.
Okay. One last time.
There. Now play your stupid games with your friend.
I have 1 minute.
You do.
So do you.
Yeah, because I don't have an Xbox with a headset like you. Oh boy, here it goes. Alright. Shut up, you stupid other computer. Yeah, I really like this app. I think I would use it for my school. It's using Photoshop, but my mom banned me from uploading on YouTube, so I can't use it anymore. So, yeah, I'm secretly uploading on here. Haha, sucker. Can't stop me. Oh my, a messy, crappy thing. But